internet! Today I have a ZENPOP box unboxing video and I can't wait. These are like my favorite stationery boxes to unbox. So let's get right into it. And I think this is July's box, that's right. This is July's box, Japanese characters pack. I wonder what that means. Maybe it's just like a lot of animated characters, because like for me that could go either way. It's like literally Japanese characters like kanji, hiragana, or animated characters. Although looking at this I feel like it's just little animated sort of characters. So let's get right. Ooh. Oh, I like this. This pen looks really cool. Looks expensive. Alright, I'm gonna put these aside and I'll test these out at the end of the video. So we've got a little notepad. Oh, I love, oh, hey, this is raised. Okay, I don't know why that's like something noteworthy for me, but all these parts like his nose and his mouth is actually raised. It's not completely flat. Just a little extra something, but it's a Rilakkuma face memo, which is like the bear. Rilakkuma is the bear that loves to sit in onsen and relax. So love that. We have some washi tape. Oh, Jinbe-san is a whale as part of the, I think he's the Sanex line. Yes, the Sanex line. I love this whale because he's so, like, he loves to relax. Okay, I'm just so excited now when I open this. He's like this friendly whale, and the reason that I was drawn to him, because I discovered him the last time I went to Japan, is because he has like cat friends. Yeah, he's got like little cat friends, and you guys know I love cats. He's got all these little cat friends, so I love him. He's so cute. Oh. Then we have Memo Pad. Oh, okay, these are like the tiniest little memo pads ever. I don't think you can actually write anything, but they're just little bears that you can just, they're almost like stickers really, if you think about it. Yeah, but that is adorable. And then we have, okay, actual puffy stickers. I've seen this guy around a lot, but I don't personally collect him. So he's a melon kuma. So he's like a bear in a melon. He's cute, but he's not really my cup of tea, so don't know if I'll keep these stickers. I might give him away, but he's cute, I guess, like in a scary sort of way. I think I already have this one from like either another ZENPOP box, something similar to this, but it was like a different cover, but it was basically the same thing. It was just like a sketch notebook sort of deal. Yeah, I swear that they've given this out before, just a different character on it. And then we have little Inu paper clip. Well, paper clip, massive clip. I could use this to like close all the chip packets they seem to have all over the place. And oh, it's like a piece of toast, like an eraser toast. That's so cute. I'm not even going to take it out of the bag because I think it's adorable the way it is. And then the last thing, what is this? Oh, it's like little bags. Oh, little gift bags. That's adorable. Pom pom pudding. Naps are the best. They sure are. It's cool. So that's everything in this month's ZENPOP box. I'm gonna go get my notepad and let's test out these pens. Okay, so this month there are 3 pens altogether, and I'm gonna test this one first because it like instantly gravitated towards me. I feel like I may have seen this in the shops before. So it's a 2 ink pen, one here, one here. So let's test it out. Okay, it's a red and black pen ballpoint. As you can see, the problem with some ballpoints, and I find this the case even with like more thicker ballpoints, is that you're always going to have that initial run where the ink maybe is dried or it's not going to come out and it needs a little bit of scribbling for it to flow evenly. It's a big reason why I prefer gel pens over ballpoints now, but I don't mind, say, this one, which you guys know of, which is my favorite ballpoint pen because it's 0.3. I don't know, for some reason the ink feels a lot more fluid in that one. But yeah, this is basically how it writes. I still love it. Like, it's an adorable pen and I fully intend to keep it. So the next pen we're going to test is this one here. It is from Zebra and it's the Uni Fit Sharp pen. So it's actually a mechanical pencil. Okay, there you go. It's a mechanical pencil and it's supposed to be like easy to hold, non-slip. It is 0.5. Okay, so it's a little thicker than my taste because you guys know I'm like a fine tip sort of person. I much prefer like 0.3s, 0.4s. For people who are not into pens, you might find that just like, what's the difference? Who cares? There's a difference. If you guys are into pens, there's a huge difference. And it affects the way I write. And so, I don't know, I base the tip size I want to use on the mood or what I'm writing. It's a whole thing, but I feel like stationery addicts or people who are really like pen obsessed totally understand what I'm talking about. So it's comfortable to use. It's super comfortable. I can definitely tell that if I had to write in pencil for a long time, this would be very comfortable to use. And then the last one is this, which is still in plastic wrap, but it's a glitter pen from uni. So I'm gonna quickly open this up. It kind of like shakes a bit like a permanent marker sort of deal. Oh, okay. It's like the tip is kind of like felt. I'm not sure if you can see it. And I think the ink has to come through, so. Okay, I had to look it up on a website. Basically, it recommends that you shake it with the lid on, which I've been doing for a while now, and then you place the tip. So this is actually not felt. Now that I had like an actual close look, it's like plastic instead, and then you press down so the tip is pushed back into the body of the pen. Press the tip down several times until the ink flows. This always makes me nervous because I'm worried I'm going to destroy the pen, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. Oh, here we go. Can you see the ink slowly starting to come through now? Yeah, there we go. Oh wow, it's really pretty and metallic. Okay. Let's see. I think it's going to take a while to dry. I can still see that it's kind of wet, but can you guys see like the metallicness of it? Yeah, there we go. It's a lot easier to see once you lift it. And hey, there's no bleed through. That's impressive. Cool. Alright, well those are all the pens in this month's ZENPOP box. That's everything in this month's ZENPOP box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.